Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nayak RC. It's been a long time I'm making these videos, and this video is especially for those people who are constantly asking me to make some videos on multi-rotors. So you might have seen all my previous videos, they were on fixed wings, and if you are wanting to learn how to fly a fixed wing, I'm attaching a link below at the description so that you can go. I've already taught how to fly a fixed wing. Now there are many people who are asking me to make a videos on multi-rotors, so this video is especially for them, and it's a total series of videos where I'll be explaining from multi-rotor I'll be explaining from basics of multi-rotor to the topmost tuning and proper performance achievement. Till there I'll be making these videos. People have seen many other YouTube videos. They know how to make a multi-rotor. It's like a quadcopter, it may be a phantom, maybe a small DJI 450, or maybe racing drones. They might have seen a lot of them, but there is lot and lot which is going inside those multi-rotors that no one understands, and no one looks into those deep aspects and parameters. That is what we will look and we will learn deeply into this total multi-rotor course. So multi-rotors are different types. You might have seen tricopter, quadcopter, hexacopter, octocopter. I have recently been to Delhi for a DFI, Drone Federation of India event. There I have seen some decacopter also. It's like 10 rotors, and somewhere even I have seen I don't know, it's called 12, it has 12 rotors, so I don't know what it is called, but I have seen that as well. So there are different types of multicopters. What is the reason? Why do they build it? There is a structure starting from basic up to the function what they want. From there, what is a problem statement and what is that you want to achieve at the end of the product. That is all matters about this multi-rotors. So if you want to achieve a multi-rotor which should carry a payload of 3 kg, for example, you want to transport some beer from this place to other place, yes, that is achievable, and for that you need multi-rotors. So for that there is a different procedure to follow. And if you want to make a multi-rotor only for surveillance by installing a small camera and gimbal, yes, there is a different approach for that as well. So we will learn all these approaches. We will learn all the other characters of multi-rotors, how to tune them properly, and how to make a proper fine-tuned multi-rotor. So that is what all you are going to learn in this videos. Guys, caution for everyone. If you want to learn every tip and top and deep and top everything of a multi-rotor, you have to follow this video series. It's good for you who wants to really learn. Guys who really want to learn about this multi-rotors and their deep technology involved for tuning and other parameters, you need to follow this video series. Or if you are a good expert, you might know, you might learn something else which is not taught by you. Or if you are really good at multi-rotors, you might learn something new from this video series. So that's where I can say follow this total video series, you'll learn everything. So there will be a set of videos where I'll be explaining from basics of a multi-rotor to fine pro level expert, where we tune, do other parameters. And guys, a caution: any student who wants to buy any component for a multi-rotor, let's say it may be for a college project or for a school project, do not buy any component from Amazon or Flipkart. They are really basic components. You won't achieve your maximum end goal. Yeah. So please do not buy anything. For that there are some hobby shops. In later videos I'll be going to tell them about those shops. So do not buy anything from Amazon, Flipkart. Just see some small YouTube video, make the drone by yourself. There are a lot of parameters what you have to learn, what you have to implement into this drone system, which then your result would be what you are looking for. So follow this video series. You can see this is a quadcopter because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 rotors. And yes, this is my DJI Mavic. And there ahead of me you can see one of a large drone. You might have not seen this on my YouTube channel. So this is an hexacopter. You have all 6 rotors, and this is having only 4 rotors. Why this drone has a 4 rotors? Why this drone needs 6 rotors? Obviously you can see the size is very huge when compared to Mavic small drone. This is very huge. But why they are designed in such manner? Why these quad rotors are only designed in such manner, such small compact size? What is this used for? What is this used for? You might have already guessed that this is only having a small camera, but this doesn't have anything. This hexacopter doesn't have anything. So yes, why it is designed for? How to make it in perfection so that you will be able to manage and you will be able to complete your project successfully with all the requirements and with all the targets you achieve. So these all things you'll be learning in this total video series. So stick on. I'll start from all the basics, and it will be really helpful for all those new people and new students who want to learn into drone technology and come into a leading emerging position in drone technology. See you in the next video.